second point, sorry. So that first point we'll discuss is Dynatrace UI got upgraded. Second point, they have changed slightly. They change slightly, on Dynatrace oneAgent installation. Okay, oneAgent installation. Everything UI got just upgraded. If you go to that also that, so once you, it looks like everything is same, but that UI, that black left area got upgraded. Also that how it looks like. Okay, so let me go to that Dynatrace photo. You can see that, right? That how was the earlier. Okay, now once Dynatrace UI got upgraded, it looks like this. You can see here object, under the object. So here you can add a lot of favorites, whichever your favorite. Suppose a report is my favorite, so you can keep it up. You can some like release you want to keep up. So whatever the things you can add in favorite section, favorite part, you can add it. If you want to remove it, it will be get removed. Okay. First, second, under the objects, you can see the dashboard, create custom charts, metrics, problems, a smart script topology, and reports. Under the infrastructures, you can see all that cloud environments, Kubernetes, Cloud Foundry, AWS, Azure, or VMware, dedicated page for Docker, dedicated for, and host, where you can see that OneAgent installations, right? Whether agent has installed or not. Then technology, process, network, and extension. Under the, so if I minimize it, under that cloud and automation, you can see release and service level objects. Now you will be think where I can see the transaction services, right? So transaction services you can see under this here. So there is called one is called front end. There will be some application service. So here you can see the all the service, the transaction service, right? So you can see here. Okay. Synthetic will be here. Profile optimization. They have added something here. New point, they have added profile and optimizations. So something, okay, distributed trace you can see here. Then now you will think where is my application, web app, right? So under the digital experience, you can see the web app, mobile app, or synthetic custom applications. You can see same thing you can see in that front end also. Okay, so that you can see it, right? And under the manage, you can see hub. So there is concept is called Dynatrace Hub, where you can see all the hub part installations for all the integrations, all those things you can see under the hub part. Deploy Dynatrace, you can see here as usual. As usual, you can see that deployment status as usual. So that area did not get changed. Just that left area, right? It got changed. That UI got changed. If you see that earlier part and this part, you'll compare it. Everything got changed. Okay. Now the thing is, now also that Dynatrace oneAgent installation. If I'll go and I will take a oneAgent installation, I'll select for Linux. You can see, right, earlier they were not asking any pass tokens and all, right? But in that once UI got upgraded, right, it is asking a pass token. Okay, so I'll show you that how to install Dynatrace oneAgent with the help of pass token. Okay, so let me launch one instance on AWS. I'm taking t2.micro. It is enough to install Dynatrace oneAgent, so I'm taking oneAgent. Number of instance one, add a storage, root key and all. I'm not taking anything, just for 5 minutes. So all traffic source you can take from anywhere, so it will not block anything. Then we can launch the instance. So launch the instance and let's create a new pair, because I'm not sure whether we have a pair. Let me check DT1234, right? Let me check whether we do have that or not. Download. Yeah, I do have that. Okay, so I do have that, so I'll take that same launch instance. So view instance, so in that section also you will learn how to spin up a beam. I will go inside that. I'll take a public IP. I'll search for MovaStream. So MovaStream is a good product now for compared to Putty. So I will take a session, SSH, a remote host, Control V, username, you'll take EC2-user, advanced setting, private key, take that private key. So this is for DT1234. Let's wait for a few minutes. Once whether VM is up or not, we'll come to know. Still it is initializing. Okay, let's try. So still VM is not yet up. Just wait for a few seconds. Not yet. Yeah. So again, do Control R. Once initialization steps gets over, the status check will up. Then you can able to log in. Okay. So meanwhile, I need to create a pass token. So how you will create a pass token? So you can create a pass token here also, but this is not a best practice. Okay. So best practice is you need to go to setting page. You go integration. Here, don't confuse with API token and pass token. Okay. So Dynatrace API token is here. Pass token is here. Platform as a service. Okay. You need to generate a pass token. So just I'll create pass token name is. Let's delete this token. Let's create a generator token. Token name is just I'm giving oneAgent. DT oneAgent. Okay. DT oneAgent. I'm generating. This token is visible once. Okay. Once you copied, and if you close this token, next time you will not able to see this token. Okay. So this is a one time. Okay. So one time only you can see this token. Okay. Now I will put it somewhere in notepad. So it will be good for me. So this is for one time. So let's take so logged in now. So sudo space su. Now I became a root user. Okay. So yum install red hat. So yum install wget. I need to install the wget command. At register, you can use the subscription manager to register. Okay. Now I have installed the wget. So I'll go to the Dynatrace portal now. So Dynatrace, deploy Dynatrace, start installation, Linux. I need to give the pass token. So hope so. This is your pass token. Once you enter the pass token, it will allow you to take this command from here. Copy this command, paste it here. Then again, sorry, again I need to go command. I need to paste it here. Okay. Then third step. So if you would like to define a host group, okay. So suppose this is a Linux family, so I need to create a host group, right? So I'll create a Linux host group, okay. This is a new host group, okay. Host name you can define, then just to give web app 001, okay. Tag you can some BPI application tag, comma, prod tag, comma, sorry, BPI tag, then prod tag. Just I have, so this is a two application, okay. It's running on AWS, so you can add AWS tags. So multiple tags also you can add it. So tags have different properties not required. Just copy this and paste it. So agent will also install. And install now. Now where I need to go for a host, under the infrastructures host, very common. So let's wait that agent is installed or not. Yeah, agent is installed now. Let's wait. Refresh this page. You can see the host name is the BAP001. We have added 2 tags. We have added host group, right? So host group, we have added Linux. Where is the tag? Why tag is not detected? It should detect. Why tag? So host group it is added. So we can understand, but tag is not it added. I'm not sure why it is not added, but let's just wait a few seconds to reflect. Yeah. So environment AWS BPI prod. Okay, these are the tags. Okay, we have added. So we can add the multiple tags. All those things you can add it. Okay. So this is the way you can see. So Dynatrace has added some new features. Okay, that how what are the new features in the microservice? They have defined is called profiling and optimization. So we have earlier we have something like diagnostic tools, right, where you can do that memory dumps, yeah, process crashes, right? That they have removed, and they came with new things is called uh, profiling and optimization, where you can do CPU sampling uh, based on that process. You can take a memory dump for process. You can understand the process crash details. So in that we had earlier, okay, earlier what we had is CPU sampling, memory dump, process crash, and they have added one more thing like top web request, top database statement, that and all, right? But they have removed it. So they put it somewhere else. So that I need to go through that, and then you need to understand, and then I'll let you know once I'll able to show you that. So apart from that, I'm not sure, nothing they have changed it. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. Thank you guys.